Yeah. So please share your screen right now.
Yeah.
Have you hear me?
Yeah. Just a second.
Okay. Okay.
You have to able, you disabled.
Oh. Oh. Okay. Actually, I have another meeting, so that's why I'm not answering you that time. Okay.
Yeah,
So
it's okay.
yeah. So that's why I'm late.
It's okay, I understand.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Can you see me now?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are here.
Yeah. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Financial transaction or the have been limited. Please check your email additional and contact customer. Oh, ID document verification. 1 or 3 business days. We are reviewing your ID. Location verification, visual verification. Okay. So you already upload your ID.
Yes, I already upload my ID, but I upload the ID I upload is driver's license, and its issue is Cameroon, but now it's different from my location verification, which is Cyprus now.
Yeah, yeah. Location verification. And your location and your ID location is same or different?
Yeah, it's different.
Different. Oh my
Yeah.
God. That's why it's you have the problem right now, because Upwork is a world-based freelancing platform. Okay, and uh, it's a famous marketplace. You know that. So that's why they are very strictly about this kind of regarding matter. So that's why
Yeah.
they are catch you regarding to your um, uploaded document, because your location is different. So that's why they are catching you are not the I mean legal person as your
Yes.
document basis. So that's the problem. But actually, because here's the 2 or 3 process. Like I am telling you, first of all,
Mm-hmm.
you need to upload your ID document verification. Okay, when your
Yes.
ID location and your location is same, then they are already message to you. Your ID is confirmed about them. I mean from them. Okay. After that,
Yes.
your location verification. I mean your ID location, and you are just now living right now. So your location will be same. Then they are confirm it. Okay. After that,
Yeah.
they they will they will fix a meeting to you as a visual verification. You are the
Yeah.
right person or not person. Okay. So
Yeah.
it's the 3 visual verification is the last method to active your Upwork account. So here's you have the problem because your ID location and your location is different. So
So
how
yeah,
can we
but they
solve?
said maybe they said here if they say we will make sure
Yeah,
your profile location matches what your ID
yeah.
in case it
That's
doesn't,
it.
we will ask you for more
Some extra document. Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
They can approve your account identity verification. Or they need more document also. Sorry.
Yeah, maybe if it's
Yeah.
different, so they maybe they ask
Uh,
for more document.
let's click identity verification again. Yeah. Okay. 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 Contact customer support. Okay, additional. Okay, okay. So find a solution first. Search under the vertical. I'm freelancer, I'm agency, I'm client, and
I
enterprise.
get support.
No, no, no. Due to the increase in volume of the ID verification submission, there will be the delay of 5 days. We greatly appreciate your patience with our terms, review, and documents. Okay, choose an account type of personalized services. Okay, you can choose the I'm a freelancer option. First one. Oh,
Yeah.
due to the increase of volume, Upwork use the third-party cookies for the personalized content. Analytics. Just a minute. Browse help get away. Okay, okay, just a minute. Get started. Build your profile. Find project. Start working. Account setting. Scroll down. Project catalog. Access your account. Scroll down slowly. Setting. Slowly. Account. How many days ago you upload the documents?
I upload document yesterday.
Yesterday. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Just scroll up. Scroll up. I'm just showing you one thing. Please see here's mark the star mark. Okay. So
Yeah.
here upper community provide the one note, and that is due to the increase. You can read it. Due to the increase the volume of ID verification submission, there will be the delay of up to 5 days. So you need to wait for 5 days because they are taking time also.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we greatly appreciate your patience uh, while our terms and review the documents. So they need to take more time. So that's why you are waiting. They are listed. I mean, activation listing. When these issues will be fixed by upper community, then we can proceed to the get paid section. Yeah, and this section is complete just for 5 minutes, and you will see the
The section for tax,
yeah.
because sometimes they ask me, let me go back.
Yes, yes, yes.
You know, I already have a contract accepted on it, and that just a second. My
You should tell
request.
me ago your document problems. Then I will suggest you the right way.
Yeah.
But I hope you forget it. So
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
why.
yeah. That is the problem. I forget to make, because my document, it's
Yeah.
the driver's license is
I
for
think that
Cameroon. Why?
yeah, I think that your documents and your location is all is okay. So that's why I'm
Yeah,
I'm yeah, yeah.
and I cannot make change now.
Hmm. So they're taking time. So that's why I'm not. We are not try too much. It will be
Okay,
it will be harmful from us. I mean, with us.
okay.
Yeah.
Because I already have a payment pending. That is why.
Mm-hmm. Where you want to get the payment now?
Pioneer.
No, 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 no. Your balance. Sorry.
My balance is
Oh, oh, oh,
1,105.
oh my God. Oh.
Maybe they make suspend.
Okay, okay, no problem. I will try about it, and I will talk to talk to the upper community also, and how can I recover these issues? Yeah,
Yes.
I will try to my level best. for you.
Yeah,
Okay?
try to talk to them. Maybe
Yeah, yeah.
something
And
can be done.
if it's possible, we are making to the. I mean, we also making the meeting to the upper community also, if possible. Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. I am
Yes, yes.
ready.
I hope it. Okay, okay. Last payment you have not made to the okay. Active. Weekly next number. Scroll down. Hmm. Oh, Pioneer payment card, you're inactive.
Yeah, maybe because I don't make any payment yet.
Yeah.
Because I add here.
Hmm.
Yes, I add pound here to the payment, and it was successful.
Hmm. I understand.
Yeah.
Okay, today, uh, let me talk to the upper community. Okay.
Yes, talk to them
Yeah,
maybe
yeah.
tomorrow, Tuesday,
You,
we see what we can do.
yes, yes. You can screenshot the all things, then send to me.
Like this one.
Payment section, your inactive pages, and your balance sheet, all of.
Okay. I make screenshot now for this page. This page is okay.
Hmm. Actually, this payment is your from your client's payments or
Yeah,
anything
yeah,
other.
yeah, for my clients.
Oh, so where from where?
USA.
USA. So you can
Yeah.
use the Pioneer also. So why you why you want to use the Upwork new Upwork?
Yeah, because most not all clients have Pioneer. Some maybe they prefer this,
You don't
and
have the
so
PayPal also, like right
yeah,
now.
some prefer this sometimes. So it depends on which they want, you know.
Here's available the many types of payment gateway like Wise, Payoneer, PayPal, Zoom. So I hope it will be benefited to I mean to you.
Yeah.
So
Anyway, maybe we talk on the other options. So if you have more options, then I can take it from there.
okay, okay.
Yeah, but you said I screenshot this page for you, or which one?
Yeah, you can give me the screenshot to red section. I mean where write down the financial transaction. No, upper side financial transaction for the your names, right? From total pages all
Contact information
yeah.
here.
No. Back
Yeah, which one? Where?
previous one. I mean previous. Uh,
This one?
this one all total. We need to because we need to show the these pages. Uh, so
Yes.
it will be benefited to realize them. So that's why.
No problem. Every page, and I also have for the location country, I also have a driving license, you know, but I didn't. I
Oh,
upload the other.
oh.
It's okay. I make the screenshot like this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, which page again?
Again, your balance get paid. Yeah, and yeah. This section schedule and I mean schedule and pioneer section, payment method section, not your balance.
Like this. Like this.
Yeah.
This okay? More?
Yeah, this is okay. Mm,
And maybe if they also want the driving license for the Cyprus, I have.
oh. Actually, you upload your driving license.
Coming?
You upload the driving license also.
Yeah, it was driving license.
Oh.
Because they asked if passport or other. I said it's passport.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, I choose the order which I upload the driving license.
Oh,
Yeah.
you can upload the passport also, passport or residential document also.
Yeah, but maybe only one. They give me only one chance. Like no, not too much. Only one document for
Oh,
this.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
I hope you need to check properly. After that, you can.
I hope, or if not, maybe I talk to them or
Yeah,
talk to
yeah.
customer support, something like that.
I think you forget also, so that's why. uh, okay, okay.
Yeah, maybe it's my first time, so I don't know. It's the same address and all this.
Oh, okay. Let me talk to them, and then we will meet again.
Okay, no problem. Keep me if you get any answer.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course.
Yeah. Thank
And
you.
one thing, if they want to talk to you, I will send you message and we'll continue the
Okay.
talking. Okay.
Yeah, no problem. No problem. Anytime I'm ready.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Mm.
Thank you, huh?
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye.